We're Scarlet Beacon, by the way. Thanks for coming out tonight. We appreciate it. As I was walking that ribbon of highway, I saw above me the golden skyway. I saw below me that endless valley. This land was made for you and me.
I roamed and rambled and followed my footsteps across the sands of the diamond desert. All around me, a voice was calling. This land was made for you and me.
Everybody, this land is your land. This land is my land. From California to the New York Island, from the redwood forest to the Gulf Stream water. This land was made for you and me. And the sun came shining as I was strolling through the wheat fields waving and the dust clouds rolling, and a voice was sounding as the fog was lifting, and it said, this land was made for you and me. This land is your land. This land is my land. From California to the New York Island, from the redwood forest to the Gulf Stream water. This land was made for you and me. This land is your land. This land is my land. From California to the New York Island, from the redwood forest to the Gulf Stream water. This land was made for you and me. This land was made for you and me. This land was made for you and me. Thanks very much.